Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you something very special, something easy that will make you stop spending to get what you can easily get by yourself. Now, I see people on Twitter, on so many channels, they see a video and they ask, how do I get this? Please can you send it to me? Please can or use a particular handle particular app to get it. But you can actually do it, especially when you see YouTube videos and you're wondering, how can I get this? Today we are going to be focusing on how you can get a YouTube video easily. Now, we are going to start right away. Alright, open your browser and you go to YouTube.com. Okay, I can decide to use any of these videos here, but I don't know if it will be legal. So what I will do is use a video that is mine. There is a video on my page, on my that I uploaded myself, which I'm going to put the link here. It's going to take me to now. This video, I have the right to use it. Okay, let me remove the audio. Now, let's say I want to download this video right here without stress. What I will do is this: just put SS in front of the YouTube. That's www.ssyoutube.com. Complete the URL. SS. Now that you've put it, just press enter. Enter. It takes you to savefrom.net. Now all you can easily do is to either right click on download and save as link. When you press save as link, it brings you here to say save the video. You can change the name to, let me use test, save, or now it's downloading test. The video is saved on my system, or you can go and click on download and it takes you to the page. Now what will happen is it will open it for you to now still save and press save video as. So either ways you have saved the video. So those are two options. You can either right click the download link and save it, or you press that download link and go here and still save it. So test 2 is saved. So this is quite easy. So I need you to go over this video and try it yourself and learn something new. You may use it to do business tomorrow, you don't know. So that's it.